Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very happy good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all must be feeling more fresh and enthusiastic towards your studies after the weekend. Now, welcome back to your English class. As you know that today is 14th of December and the day is Monday. And now it's the time for your English class, so please you open your English e-books. Let's open it and see which topic today we have to complete. Students, you know that we have started unit number 9, the story of silk. Students, आप जानते हैं कि हमने story of silk chapter start किया था and we have completed its question answers in our previous class. And today we will complete its book exercise given on page number 85. आज हम इसकी book exercise करेंगे that is given on page number 85. Today we will complete exercise B1 and 2. आज हम exercise B1 और 2 complete करेंगे. Let's see working with words. Exercise B1. All these words are in the story and scramble them. Now students, there are given words and these all words are having a certain meaning, a proper meaning. But now over here, these words are not arranged word. You have to unscramble them to make a proper word. आपने इनको arrange करना है एक proper word के लिए. First A is IEEPNGP. When you will arrange it, this word will be peeping. PEEPING. Second is elaborate. No, the word or the spell is not arranged. When you will arrange the spelling, आप इन spelling को arrange करेंगे तो this word will be elaborate. C is GRINABE. When you will arrange it, आप इन spelling को arrange करेंगे तो ये word बनेगा bearing. BEARING. D is weaver. When you will arrange the spelling, it will be weaver. WEAVER. Next is when you will arrange the spelling, this will be cocoon. 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 Next, last one is when you will arrange the spelling, it will be princess. 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 I will send its picture as well, so it will be easy for you to write the answers. Now look the next C2. How many words can you make from the letters in each grid below? Over here there is given a box and you have to arrange to make a proper word. You must use the middle letter in all the words you make. Now you have to use the middle letter to make it. First is A is in the past, yesterday. B is most lovely. C is in the week, Wednesday. C3 को देख, given below are the meanings of some words. Can you guess them? In the past, A को देखें, it shows yesterday. In the past में क्या था? A spells are showing that it is yesterday. Most lovely is prettiest. When you will arrange the word box B, यहाँ पर B के spelling को arrange करेंगे. Most lovely का क्या मतलब है, तो इसके spelling को arrange करेंगे तो it will be prettiest. C is in the week. Week में कौन सा day आता है? C के spelling को arrange करेंगे middle word को use करके तो it will be Wednesday. I hope students you all understood. Now it's the picture over here that shows the answer of exercise B1 and B2. Now these are the answers. You have to write it in your English B notebook. आपने इसको English B की notebook में exercise को solve करना है. First write the words, then write their answers. आपने पहले spellings लिखने हैं और उसको arrange करके उनका proper word लिख कर answer लिखना है. Now complete it and share it in the group or share it with me. I hope you all understood. If you feel any query or if you want to ask any question, I'm there to tell you. Thank you class. Have a fabulous day.